In recent years, the Chinese Navy has deployed a large number of new destroyers, frigates, and light patrol boats, which have greatly increased its maritime power. Along with that, China's amphibious force is also developing step by step. This development has important implications for China's maritime ambitions. A little-known Chinese landing ship, the Type 074, classified as a class of landing ship medium, is in service with the People's Liberation Army Navy. They were built at Wuhu Shipyard of Wuhu, Anhui, from 1995 to 2000. Although entering service in the middle-1990s, the origin of Type 074 dates to almost 3 decades earlier in the middle-1960s, and the Type 074 is the result of experience learned from around half a dozen models earlier. The preceding Type 079 landing ship suffers from inherent design flaws, so that in order to achieve ease of production, it could be mass-produced. The hull ship was very simply flat-bottom design, and this is not good for sailing in poor weathers. As a result, People's Liberation Army Navy issues a request of upgrade of the Type 079 in the 1990s. However, as study progressed, it was discovered that in order to reach the requirement, major redesign is needed and the cost would be prohibitive. The only alternative was to enlarge the successful design of the older Type 271 landing ships. Hence, Type 074 was born as a cross between the Type 079 and the Type 271, with the upgraded equipment of the former installed on an enlarged hull of the latter. Type 074 has a full displacement of about 800 tons, a length of 58.4 meters, a beam of 10.4 meters, and a draft of 2.7 meters. It is powered by two 4,900 horsepower diesel engines for a top speed of 80 knots. Type 074 landing ship structure is much more advanced than the Type 079. It not only adopts a non-flat bottom design, but also has a split door and a floating double-section suspension bridge instead of the Type 079. This first door facilitates the entry and exit of tanks, artillery, and vehicles, and is also conducive to increasing the speed. There are also cranes on the deck for loading and unloading light cargo. This class of landing ship is capable of making oceanic voyages in moderate sea states. They are used for tactical beach lodgement and can carry up to 100 tons of cargo. Indicative maximum loads include either 2 main battle tanks, or 6 light amphibious tanks, or 350 fully equipped troops. The ships of this class are fitted with 3 Type 61 25mm anti-aircraft guns. Some units are also fitted with Type 81H 122mm multi-rocket launchers. Although onboard equipment of Type 074 is derived from that of Type 079, advancement in Chinese technological and industrial capability enabled the adoption of automation, which significantly reduced the number of crew needed almost by half, down to 56 from the original 109 of Type 079. Overall, this type of landing craft has advanced design, good airworthiness, strong maneuverability, and strong amphibious combat capability. It can not only undertake landing missions, but also undertake daily transportation tasks and has excellent draft and shallow beach performance. A total of 15 have been completed. 12 are in service with the Chinese Navy, 1 is sold to Sri Lanka and 2 to Bangladesh. My video about the Chinese Type 074 answer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.